Hello everyone, this is Amos Tarfa with LifeSTEM Academy. In this video, I want to go over how to get to the assessment on my open math. I will also be discussing how to use the math program that we've put together. This is an extension of what we've started in the past, but we have brought it to a point now where it's very usable for everybody. So briefly, if you have gone through elementary school math from first grade to sixth grade, you would have learned a lot of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All our students will actually have to review addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, who are all our students in pre-algebra. That's the first thing they're going to do. And the reason is because we want to make sure their number sense skills are being worked on. And that's just the nature of the course. However, they will have time to finish everything they need in pre-algebra, but we just need to do our first level check. This assessment is helpful in showing us how fast the student should go or how much time they should take through the course. We have 36 weeks of material. Well, we have way more than 36 weeks of material, but we have 36 weeks of learning, right, that happens during the school year. And so we want to help guide them through the process at the pace that works best for them. If a student wants to run and sprint and is working through things and wants to get into algebra quickly, they can do that. However, we have it structured in such a way that a student can take pre-algebra throughout the course of the year. It's not required, but that's a route. So we have the regular route as well as the route that a student might want to take that involves getting into algebra. We have quite a few tutors this year. We have quite a few teachers, and we have after-school tutoring free to all LifeSTEM Academy families. So if a student is still needing some review in any topic, they can stay for after-school tutoring at no cost to their families. The after-school tutoring does cost, there's a fee for those who are just coming for that, like those from, Park Christian Academy or different schools in the area who want tutoring. They would have to pay for the tutoring, but not for LifeSTEM Academy students. They can just stay as much as they want in any math class. They also have, LifeSTEM Academy students also have the option of working with Mr. Jerset, Nathan Jerset, on Zoom on Fridays during our office hours. So you can get tutoring after school. You can get tutoring on Friday mornings. You can always email with any question at any time. You can request a video for any topic at any time, and we will keep making more videos for our students. We want everybody to flourish, no exceptions. We will do everything we can to get everyone to understand math. For those who want to win the Fields Medal in math and win a Nobel Prize in physics, we have a plan for you as well. And we understand everybody has their different, what they gravitate towards. So we understand that. We don't expect everybody to aim to be like Isaac Newton tomorrow. But for those of you who want to be better than Isaac Newton, please make sure you let me know so that I can give you Isaac Newton's notes, so I can give you Leonard Euler's notes, because that will help you to become better than Isaac Newton. Okay, with that said, let's go ahead and look at my screen. I'm going to share my screen here, and I'll show you how to use the program. So let it go to My Open Math. I apologize, 1 second. I didn't realize my battery was running low here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we're sharing the screen. I'm gonna go over here. This is where you go if you want to register as a new student. You click register as a new student, and when you do that, you put in a username that you like, you put in a password that you want, you put in your password, you put in your first name and last name, right? If you want. Again, this is a secure website, you can see here. And then you put in your email address, the email address you want to use. You don't have to click on 13 years older if you're not 13 years older. That's fine. And then here you have read the terms and terms of use. You can click on that and you can see the terms of use. There is all this information is kept safely. This is created. It was created also for college students. So there's a lot of pieces here explained, but you will be good. This website is has been used for years. We've used it for over about 10 years almost. So the course ID is given in the email that I sent, and then there's a enrollment key that's also given. That's where it's like EK_life. So we have an enrollment key and a course ID. If you need me to resend that, I can do that. I actually have it handy here, and I can share that with you. So the course ID, for those who are new to the course ID is 180731. So you type in 180731, 180731, and then the enrollment key is EK underscore life 314. EK underscore life 314. So you choose your information here and you sign up, okay? When you sign up, it'll let you click to log in. So let me log in. So let's say I'm logging in here as one of the accounts here, okay? And then I enter my password. I can log in. And now, guess what? You could choose to save if you want, if it's your computer, especially. Every student will have access to a Chromebook. If their parents are okay with it, you can use that option. We have enough Chromebooks for everybody. So the Chromebooks will work well for this website. So then you will see it says Inspirational Mathematics 2. That's just a fancy name for Algebra 1 and 2 combined. That's what Inspirational Mathematics 2 is. But you say to yourself, wait, I'm going into pre-algebra. That's fine. What we're going to do is the assessment was actually designed for pre-algebra students. You click on that, it would ask you for the pre-algebra diagnostic test. Right away, you click there. You start, and it'll ask you the first question. If you look at the problems and you say, oh no, this is too intense, go to the Math Mammoth assessment, which is also in the email we've sent before. Or Mrs. Carissa Hovland has it, other people can give it to you. It's just going on the Math Mammoth, you take the 6th grade assessment if you just finished 6th grade, or the 5th grade assessment if you just finished 5th grade. So that's one route to do it, to get to that assessment. But this assessment is assuming that you've done pre-algebra or you've done a very good curriculum up to 6th grade for math. Because pre-algebra is actually a misnomer. It's actually elementary school math plus a little more. That's all it is. And if you want to look at all the pre-algebra books you have, you'll notice they always start with things like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, place value. That's elementary school math, right? So pre-algebra just means before algebra. That's all it means, right? So what we want for all our students is to actually make sure they do what we just said, right? I'm not going to finish the test now, but then enroll in a new class. So we also want them to click enroll in a new class. And then what do we want them to do with that? We want them to basically fill in the course ID for the other ones, right? We want them to fill in the course ID for the other classes that we have. So we have the course ID and the enrollment key is the same. It's that EK underscore life, right? So you can do that, and then you will be able to access the materials for elementary school math. This is what this course ID is going to do. So I'll get you the other course ID that you need. If you need it, if you have questions on that, let me know. But yeah, so that's the main thing that will happen there. So let me go back here. Give me 1 second. Let's see, where is my recording? Okay, so I'll go back to that later. But right now, let's say you log in here. I'm going to do a whole video going into the math one as well. But so you go here, you enroll in a new course, and you get the algebra one. But let's talk about, you get the pre-algebra. Let's talk about the algebra one here. Let's see, click here. I actually did find the key. I apologize, I didn't have it earlier. This would be 180.379, and then the key is EK underscore life 314. Notice the 314 is like 3.14. Sign up. Perfect. So we go to the main page. Now notice it has 2 for you. And then I'm actually going to enroll in the last one. We might as well have all of them. 181.033 EK underscore life 314. We're going to be teaching computer science to our students this year. I'm going to be talking about computer etiquette.